Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you doing? And in this video, I'm going to build a game. I don't build a game. I asked ChatGPT to build me a game that is. I just want to spend some quality time by playing a game. But I have an idea. This is game about a drone that delivery chocolate. And this is the game I asked ChatGPT to build, and this is what it builds to me. The game. This is what ChatGPT built for me. Let's refresh the page. Beach Endilon landing. Um, this is what ChatGPT built it game. So let's play and see how difficult it is and how good it is. To play at first, I really forgot. Okay, okay. Start delivery. It's really difficult game. I get okay. It's because of what's wrong with this man? Oh, again, what? Bro, give some time for game. Okay, 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 okay. Don't I done it. I was going to get but again. Yeah, yep. Finally, I end this game a lot of efforts and attempts to. If you closely observe here, it give you how to play a game. W, A, D, left, right, break, restart, and wind, velocity, and the name of the game. This is everything is built by ChatGPT. Not even a single thing I code or do something. Everything is built by ChatGPT. And if you clearly refresh it again, a little storyline. Imaginary girlfriend asking for chocolate and it's going to be delivered in drone. This is good. And also given a how to play, clear instructions before starting a game. Okay. The wind and velocity increasing and decreasing at the same time. Yeah. And I'm gonna say out of 10, this game is going to end up 9.8. Thanks ChatGPT for giving this best game to me. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. This is Nani for you.